Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sneha Bajoria and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we'll educate you about dentistry. In today's video, we'll talk about a really interesting topic which is oral hygiene in kids. As parents, caretakers and providers, we want to provide our children with the best of all the facilities available. So why compromise in their oral health? Let's learn how we can improve our kids' oral hygiene. The primary area of importance is the diet that we provide our child. We should educate our child to not eat a lot of junk food, sugary food, or drink aerated drinks like cola. All these food, they damage the tooth surface and cause cavities. I know that in today's world, it is a little difficult to not allow our kid to eat all these items, but we should make sure that we limit the quantity of their intake and they should rinse them out really well after they eat any of the above mentioned items. The second area of importance is we should teach our child the correct brushing technique and flossing technique. We as parents should brush our child's teeth till the age of 6 after they have brushed it themselves so that we can make sure that they have not left behind any spot in the teeth. Third, we should also make sure that our child drinks enough water and stays hydrated so that the saliva is constantly pooling in the oral cavity and it prevents cavity formation. Then we should also make sure that we take our child to visit a dentist very regularly, at least once every 6 months. This will benefit the child because any disease can be caught early and less invasive treatments can be done to fill up the cavities. If we delay, then we might have to go for root canal or extraction of the child's teeth. The second advantage of visiting a dentist regularly is that your child will have a great rapport with the dentist, and if any complicated treatment is required, the child will be cooperative and get the treatment done easily. And lastly, the child will always learn from their parents. So, you should always take care of your oral hygiene so that the child learns from you and can mimic your actions. To know more about how to prevent cavities in your child, please contact us at Dentstop Dental Clinic. Thank you.